Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I have been teaching for 32 years, and it's time to retire, so I thought I'd take a moment to say goodbye. So let's get cracking. So friends, first things first, I want to say thank you to everybody. Oh my gosh. Teachers, administrators, parents, students, so many of you that I've interacted with all the way back to 1990 when I was student teaching in Kindy, Michigan, to when I first taught in Sheboygan, Michigan, and then finally when I landed down here in Holland, Michigan. It has been an absolute blast, and I appreciate the part all of you had in that. Now friends, the teaching will stop formally, but I will still be creating all sorts of content on YouTube. So if you are interested in keeping in touch, you can always check out the YouTube channel. I do also want to let you know I have the website HLModTech.com. The website houses a ton of fun content, but also friends, down at the bottom is a sweet built-in messaging tool. At any point you can click that button, add some information, and reach out to me almost instantly. Another new thing that I am using is the Tinkercad Community Discord. Friends, it is a wonderful place to talk everything Tinkercad, and you can join by simply clicking that link up above. Finally, friends, I want to remind you that on my YouTube channel, you can also find my Instagram, Twitter, webpage, Facebook, and TikTok. So there are so many ways that we can keep this journey going. Friends, thank you so much for the part you've had in my current journey, and I'm hoping you all come along for the ride on my new one as well. And of course, friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.